Hey there, creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. The first thing that you need to do is select a video from your YouTube account. For this example, I will go with this video, with my dog Hera. Now, the default thumbnail, well, it kinda sucks, so let's create a new thumbnail for this video using Thumbnail Blaster. All that you have to do is click on Next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us 3 thumbnail templates. Of course, if you want, you can close this and select one thumbnail manually from the huge list that we have in Thumbnail Blaster, but in this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. So I just click on Load Template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, it downloaded the original thumbnail and customized the whole template for us. If you want, we can simply use it as it is and save it, but let me show you how powerful our editor is. First, I will change the fonts for this text. Okay, it looks perfect. I will also change the font for this and this. Now let me add a picture of Hera instead of this puppy. I'm just going to select the image from my computer. I flip it, resize it a bit, and that's it. Now I will also add one cool smiley face from our collection. I simply go to Shapes, select Emojis. Alright, this looks great. Let me rotate it a bit. Perfect. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning, and let's save this and publish it on YouTube. That's it. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Now let me just open YouTube really fast to see how it looks. I'm going to search for Hera Boxer, and here is my video. Now just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? Take a look at all these other videos. On what would you click right now? On the one that has our thumbnail, right? The one that we just created. Well, you see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic. So start using custom thumbnails on your current and future uploads, and I'm sure you will see a massive spike in views and traffic. Now, if you want to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster, just click on the link below and check out all the amazing templates that we have and all the amazing other features. Now let me show you another amazing feature of Thumbnail Blaster. You have the unique ability to split test and find the best performing thumbnails for your video. This is a never seen before feature that will give you an unfair advantage over your competition. Now you simply start a new split test. Here you select thumbnail A, then you select thumbnail B, and you select the duration of the split test. That's it. Now Thumbnail Blaster will change the thumbnails automatically each hour, and at the end it will select the thumbnail that got us the most views. Now I really hope you see the power of Thumbnail Blaster and how it can help you and your video marketing campaigns. You can check out all the features and more templates somewhere below on this page. I'm sure you will love this app. Thanks a lot for watching this video.